Hey guys, it's Lydia here from LA3D, and today I'm just going to update you guys on what's been going on and really why I haven't been posting any videos lately. So, let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back. I know it's been a long time. I've just been super busy, and as you guys know, my last posts were my CNC machine, and that thing has been keeping me very busy. I've been doing so many signs. I actually just posted on my Instagram a video or a picture of every single sign that I've made. I believe it's every single sign. So December was super busy, but I'll just show you guys real quick an example of what I've been making. So this is one sign that I just finished. It's for my parents. It's our last name, and then it lists everybody in our family, and it's super cool. I've just learned so much throughout the past month on how to get the best looking signs, and this sign is actually bigger than my cutting area, so I had to figure out how to cut bigger signs by sliding and shifting the material. So that was also a journey to figure out. It was very difficult, but I think I got it. It's not perfect, but I'm still dialing that in. So that will be also another video I will be making, is how to cut bigger signs on a smaller CNC machine. There's not a lot of them out there for the software I use, which is Easel. That is the free version. It's from Inventables. I don't use Easel Pro because I figured a way out to get all of the things that you pay for in Easel Pro for free anyways, and that will also be in the video. So that is another update on a video that I will be making. So I also did get a brand new airbrush for Christmas and found out some really nice ways to paint signs without having to do so much sanding. Just a finished sanding instead of having to sand it all off, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's super easy, and I'm really excited to show you guys the techniques that I figured out and all the easiest ways I've figured out to get the nicest looking signs for really cheap. I've been saving up a lot of money from making these signs. I've actually made a lot of money, so it's really nice. It's like a side job kind of, and it's super easy because I also got lots of pallets from our local pet store. They were just throwing a bunch away, so I just cut them down, planed them, joined them and stuff like that, and I've made some really nice signs out of them, and that wood was for free. So basically it's just labor that I have to do, so that's super nice. But also another tip for you guys, if you use CNC machines at all, is if you go to Home Depot, they have a lot of wood for 70% off, and it's junk wood, but it's really nice wood, so that's also how you can save money on it. I know this was supposed to be like an update video, but also I just want to throw some of these tips in here so I don't forget to mention them to you guys in any other videos, which I probably will. But I've just been super busy on making signs, and I've decided that I wanted to put together a video for you guys of just making a bunch of signs. There will be some talking in them, but I just really want to show you the work that I've done, and the work that I'm proud of. And thank you to all the people on Facebook, the Facebook group of the engine. I don't really remember what it's called, but it's for the people who have actually built their CNC, and who've set it up with Marlin, which if you have a CNC, you probably use JRBL. I believe that's what it's called, and that's like CNC based, but with mine it's Marlin based, which is really cool. So I'm more familiar with it because it's more similar to 3D printing. But other than that, that's what I've been doing really, is making lots of signs. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was quick. I know I shoved a bunch of information in it, but let me know down below what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see any of my techniques that I do, I know I'll be making some videos of just making the signs and stuff. But other than that, I just want to know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I've been doing a lot of stuff. I've still been doing 3D printing, and then CNC, and then woodworking and stuff like that. So I have a bunch of stuff. If you guys have any questions about anything that I use, please let me know down below in the comments. I really try to answer right away. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy New Year. Bye.